Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. You're undying.
I'm trying to, put on my mic. Hope you guys can hear me clearly. So last week I did put up a post on my community here on YouTube asking you guys, what do you prefer here on my YouTube, because I always love to hear you guys' voices, you understand. I did put up a poll saying, do you prefer more cake recipes, lifestyle content, or you just prefer like anything I put on here guys are going to watch. So some people said okay, anything I put they're going to watch. Some said more of, like, let me just say over 50% of people will say that they want small cake recipes, and I understand, because I know that okay, this channel I started this channel as creating cake recipes, and knowing what I know now, I wish that I incorporated a lot of things here on my channel back years ago. But then we learn every day, things still change. But however, see, I told you guys before, I'm going to be exploring here, on this channel a lot. So even on the comments, there's someone suggested that I can be doing cooking videos, the fact that I started the channel with cake recipes. So that's what a lot of people actually, subscribe my channel to, which it actually did make sense, So yeah, you guys, I don't want to, like I said before, I feel like I'm boxed here in this channel, and I really don't want that, for myself this year. So cooking videos will be coming up here. I think there's one I'll be up. I'm gonna really upload one today, which is the how to make fried rice. I made fried rice for my children for their school lunch. The video will be up today. So by the time you're watching this vlog, the video on how to make fried rice is already up here on the channel. But I don't know when this video will be up in particular. Yes, I don't know when it's gonna be up, but hey, you can check out the video here. So yeah, that's it. Welcome back to a new vlog. Miz B here. As usual, Miz B, guys are amazing. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you enjoy this particular vlog. Okay, so I want to show you guys something. I made some beautiful dress for my daughter. Her name is Chizaram, and oh, I'm a mom of two living in Lagos, Nigeria. I made this beautiful, cute dress, for my daughter. Can you guys see how beautiful this dress is? And by the time she sized it like 2 days ago, it was looking so beautiful on her body. I love this. You guys, can you see how cute this is? This is the Ankara. I have the Ankara as well. Okay, so the leftover, I gave it to my fashion designer to make something beautiful for my girl. And I love this, so beautiful. I have another one here. This is the star. Like you guys, like this particular Ankara style, like this Ankara material can never go out of fashion. Like I bought this particular Ankara 2012. Even the one I showed you before just now, I bought it 2012. Like I kept the material before I even got married. When I was engaged with my husband, like you guys, I was buying things. You know how women we can be now. I was buying things like Ankara. I was just keeping to my body because I know that I will get married and I'm going to use them. So imagine me buying these things like 2012 and I started sewing them last year. Like, is anybody like me in the comment? Like, are you like me, you guys? Anyway, that's it. So because I sold my own like a boo stand, I'm going to put the picture here for you guys to see. So the leftover Ankara, I gave it to my fashion designer to sew this nice dress for my daughter. Can you see how cute it is? Like, it's so beautiful. I love this style. She went to church on Sunday, okay, and she was looking so like pretty amazing. Another one here again. All these are my leftover extra material that I have. So she had to sew this Isiago top for her, and then the skirts. This is the skirt here. Like these children, they grow up so fast, you guys. Before you know it, you see all these outfits. like they've outgrown it already. But what can we do? Just have to keep on buying clothes for them. Skamsis, which is my first child, his godfather went to the UK to visit his family last year December, and he called my husband to ask him what are the sizes that my kids used to wear. My kids are wear like Kamsi is putting on size 44 in sneakers. Why is that putting on size 37? So he got some sneakers, for them, and this is it here. This one here got it for Kamsi. Kamsi is his godfather. Yes, he's our family friend for years, and his Kamsi's godfather. He bought this particular sneakers for him. Can you guys see how beautiful? So this is the sneakers here. I love it. So beautiful. Look at what a child is wearing, you guys. Like, and it's from Primark. Oh. Can you see it's from Primark? This child is wearing 44. Can you see, like, see the size of this? Like literally, 44. Imagine for just 11 years old, 11 years old child. Like, I still don't get it, you guys. Like, I still don't understand. Ziki on my comment. She was telling me that because I'm tall, my husband is tall. Like, is it really true? I'm still trying to like visit this thing. Anyway, that's it. I don't know. I just feel some certain way about it because as how. So that's what comes here. This is it. Let me show you guys Zara's own. My nails, you guys. My nails has pulled off. My nails, and I felt it just now. My nail just pulled off now. I'm going to fix it short when I'm done with this particular video. So let me show you guys Zara. Where is that Zara shoe set? I can't find it again. No. This one here is for Zara. Can you see? She had to go and put it inside the nylon because she doesn't want dust to to touch it. Let me open it. This is for Zara here. I love this sneakers so much. Let me come closer. They are both from Primark. You can see the size here, 37. Okay, this is 37. That's what my almost 8 years girl child is putting on, and they're from Primark. They're like, I love the sneakers a lot. It's so beautiful. You guys, can you see? I told him to buy for me. I told him that I'm putting on size 42 in sneakers. For slippers, flat slippers, slippers, heels, sandal heels, I wear 40. But for sneakers, I wear 42 years. I told him to buy sneakers for me. Oh. I told him to buy sneakers for me. And guess what, you guys? I was not telling my husband that I better go tell madam say I know get enough for you to buy. I said, no, you have to buy for me. So yesterday they came to our house to drop the sneakers for my children. I was like, no, meta products, I'm going to drag you. I'm going to drag. I said hit him on his head. Why don't buy for me? So I know where. So later I say next time goodbye. I said okay, no problem. I'm expecting it to, but I'm so happy that I got something for my children. That's the most important thing. Okay, yeah. So that's it for this particular clip. I know I didn't sleep like up to 7 minutes. I know, but I just want to speak to you guys and show you guys some amazing things that I have here. Hi people, welcome back to a new vlog. Okay, let me start off my day. I want to film a recipe for you guys. I'm thinking of filming maybe a brownie recipe or a fish sauce recipe. I don't know, but let's see how it goes. Okay, I want to start my day now. I want to also upload the fried rice video right now as well. And what else? I need to also do yogurt production as well today. Yes, I want to go and supply yogurt. I also made my hair, you guys. Can you see? I made them natural hair twists. Maybe I should put the video side by side for you guys to watch. And I also made my nails. Everything was done last week Monday. I said a lot. I know I said a lot. I'm sorry. I'll speak to you guys much later. Kisses, and please like the video, and please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I know that you guys love cake recipes because of course that was the reason why you subscribe to my channel, right? But hey guys, I want to switch to something good. I love creating lifestyle content a lot. Like I love to document my life, and that's why I've decided to bring it to on this channel. So please, my beautiful lovelies, my amazing community, please, I beg you, please support me here by watching my vlogs. It means so much to me if you could watch my vlogs, like the video, just drop a nice comment, because yeah, I just want to see your comments. I know that I just want to post relatable content that you guys can relate, maybe to those that are mothers or moms to be or something. I just love documenting my life in general. That's what it's that's just the summary of it. So please engage, watch the vlogs, and Yeah, it's gonna really make me happy. I promise, like it's gonna really make me happy. Talk to you guys much later. Mwah.
About your simple life, nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking, everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
Yeah, Steven. Yeah, Stan. Yeah. That's be your neck down. I want to cap to show. Be your cap. Be your head down. Yeah. Hello, pilots. So Kamsi is dressing like a pilot, and Chizam here is a what? Is a what? A what? I'm not hearing you.
Banker.
So which bank are you working?
I don't know.
Kamsi, what's the name of your airline?
Qatar.
Qatar. Wow, I love that. Qatar airline. Kamsi said, that he's working. The name of his airline is Qatar airline. So I said she's working. She said she doesn't know where she's. How back I got say don't know where they work. You're working at Zenith Bank or GT Bank? Zenith Bank. As what's the position in Zenith Bank? Is it customer care or bank manager?
Bank manager.
Wow, you said bank manager. Bank manager. Oh, you guys are looking cute. Have a wonderful career day.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Mwah. Yeah, come and start this, Zaza. Yeah, come and start here. Go to the bank now. Time is going. You're late for work. And your flight, you're gonna miss.
Around
8 o'clock. Then start leaving now. Your flight, so you not miss the flight. Your passengers are waiting for you.
Yes, my bag is ready.
It's ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh yeah, auntie must start going to work. Oh yeah.
My auntie.
Your customers are waiting for you, banker.
My bag is ready.
This is your bag.
Yeah.
Okay, but you're supposed to carry in box because what they carry is mini box.
I'm ready to fly.
My mommy. My
It's
mommy.
not just in
My mommy.
my
Banker.
place.
Banker. Zenith Bank manager. Yeah, come and start going. Bye. Have fun today.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling